Hello, this is Aurelius here. I am doing a series of tutorials on just how to do simple things that I've learned. I just want to share that information with everybody else so that if you want to know, you can learn. One of the things some of my friends have had a hard time with is that they want to send a really long YouTube video to somebody, but there's a certain part where they want it to start. So they don't want you to have to watch the whole thing to get to that part. They want you to start at the part where they want you to do it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use an old church video, which is a great example of that, in order to go ahead and isolate a particular song. And then I'm going to send it to people. So let's go ahead and let's get started with that. Okay. So of course we're going to be in our YouTube platform, and having been in our YouTube platform, we're going to first find the video that we want. And here's a video right here of a service. You see that the service is actually 2 hours and 22 minutes long. 2 hours and 22 minutes. I don't know if you want to sit through all that to find what you're looking for. So what we're going to do is, instead of just scuzzing through, I'm looking for this Walk in the Light song. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to keep scuzzing through. Let's go ahead and just turn the sound just a little bit down till we find it. So let's find, it's a choir song, and if I know the order of service for this place just right, I should be able to find it. Okay, we're getting there, almost there. We're almost there. So right now, if you look at the timestamp, we're at 58:02. They just announced the choir, and we're almost there. We're almost there. Okay, so about 38, 58, I think about there, 58:33. Okay, it's about where we want to start. Okay, it's before the song actually starts. This is about where we want to be. 58:33 is the time index right here in the corner. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to share it so that it goes directly to this part when you send the link. So when they click on the link, it's going to take you to directly this part of the service. So watch how it works. Okay, I am going to click on share down here at the bottom. So if you look here where it says share, click on share, right? And you have a bunch of different options. But what you want to do is, I want to share it just by copy it, okay? But instead of just hitting the copy button, just copying the link to what I'm going to share, watch what's going to happen. I'm going to click on start at, and it's going to start it at the place where I paused it. Okay, now I can go ahead and change this number and customize it if I want to. I can go ahead and just delete that and just make it a even 58:30. All right, and then what it's going to do, you'll notice, is that when I click on that, it automatically appends something to my link. See, there's nothing here at first, and then when I click on that, oh, it appends the extra part, and this is what I copy. Okay, now what's going to happen is that when I go to send my email, let me go ahead and do that now. When I go to send an email, okay, and I paste that link in, right click, and I'll show you how to do it again. I just right click and paste. I'm sorry, I'm so used to using key shortcuts. You use Control V if you want to paste without doing the right click and paste, or you just go ahead and hit right click and paste. Of course, put the address in there. This is who I'm sending it to. Sending it to myself, and I'm going to put in the subject the song you are looking for. Okay, not sure why I decided to put 2 R's in there. All right, and then that's my link. All right, I'm going to hit send. All right, now when the other person opens that link, you'll see what happens. I'm going to go back in here, and I am looking for the email that I just sent to myself. Okay, I haven't gotten it yet. Oh, there it is. There's the email I just sent to myself. And when I click on the link, watch what happens. It's going to open up a brand new window and right where I want it to be. Okay, it's just that simple. Okay, so again, the trick is to go ahead and hit share. Click on this little button right here that says start at. Copy that and then paste it into your email. It's just that simple. Thank you for joining me. It's very easy. If you like my channel, please subscribe.